So miscellaneous exercise, the first question. A box contains 10 red marbles and 20 blue marbles and 30 green marbles, and 5 marbles are drawn at random. So this is what the information, and this is experiment. 5 marbles are drawn from the box. So what is the probability that all will be blue? So when 5 marbles are drawn from 60 marbles, you can get any 5 marbles, but you want all of them to be blue. So from 20, you want to select 5. That's the first one. Next, the second one. At least one will be green. At least one will be green means at least one will be green means 1 minus probability of none of them will be green. That's better. Because at least one green means 1 green, 2 green, 3 green, 4 green, 5 green. All those cases individually need to calculate and then add them. Instead of that, 1 minus unwanted cases, no green. No green means all should be either red or blue. So 30C5 by 60C5. That's it. Fifth one, out of 100 students, 2 sections of 40 and 60 are formed. If you and your friend are among the 100 students, what is the probability that you both enter the same section? So when you're selecting 40 and then 60 sections from 100, you select one of the section, automatically remaining will be the other section. I mean to say, from 100, if you select the 40 students, automatically from 60, you need to select all the 60 students. So 60C60 one way. So the 100C40 is 100 factorial by 100 minus 40, 60 factorial into 40 factorial. So this is what the total number of ways. This is n of s. But what is the first one? Both enter in the same section. Both enter in the same section means either you select both of them inside this 40 or don't select both of them inside this 40. Automatically they both will enter in the 60 section, both of them. So either include both in the 40 or exclude both in the 40. So either R means plus. How many ways you can include both of them in the 40? Suppose you included both of them in the 40, from the remaining 98, you only need to select 38. Because you decided to include both the students, you and your friend, inside this. That you can do in one way. Suppose you want to exclude both of them. That also you can do in only one way. Don't include you and your friend in the 40. So from the remaining 98, you should select 40. Automatically in the remaining 60, you and your friend will join. This is what the number of favorable cases for the suppose you call this event as A and this event as B. So this is what the probability of the number of A elements in A. So automatically the probability of A will be this by this. That means 98C38 plus 98C40 by 100C40. Next, B. You both enter in different sections. See, this is the probability that both enter in the same section. And the other one is you both enter in the different sections. Once you get this answer, 1 minus P of A will be the answer. That's how you do. Suppose you 5 people are there in the class. Student 1, student 2, student 3, and student 4, student 5. Suppose sports committee, I need to select 2 people. And cultural committee, 3 people. And both are happening at a time, so I can't select the same student for both. So obviously out of the 5 students, I need to send the 2 to the sports, and 3 to cultural. How many ways I can do that? First, I need to select 2 students for the sports committee. So suppose if I'm selecting this, I can do that in 5C2 ways. After selecting 2 students for the sports committee, I will be left with 3 students. Now all 3 students will be in the cultural committee. I need not to separately select the cultural committee, because remaining all students will become automatically cultural committee. That will be 3C3 one way. So the number is increased here. Instead of 5 students into 2 and 3, 100 students into 40 and 60. If you select the 40 students committee first, automatically remaining 60 will become the 60 students committee. That you can do in only one way, right? When you included both of them, that you can do in one way. So when you decided to include both of them in the 40 members team, you need to select the remaining 38 students also. That you can do from 98 students. You can select the remaining 38 students from 98 students in 98C38 ways. Automatically, once you're done with the 40 student selection, automatically remaining 60 will become the second committee. But in the first case, what you did, in that 40 students, only you and your friend are present. Next, second case, you and your friend want to present in the 60 students committee. So then what you need to do, you should not select you and your friend into 40 students committee. Automatically, you both will remain and then join in the 60 student committee. So here also what I wrote, 98C40. That means you and your friend leaving both of you, remaining 98. From the remaining 98, only 40 students are selected and kept in the 40 students group. Automatically, you and your friend will be there in the 60 student group. So this is what the number of ways in which this can be done. And the probability is that by number of elements in the sample space. Three letters are dictated to 3 persons. And an envelope is addressed to dedicated. What is that? I think 3 letters are assigned to 3 persons. That's what they meant. I don't know what is that word they're given. To 3 persons, and an envelope is addressed to each of them. Okay, and the letters are inserted into the envelopes at random, so that each envelope contains exactly one letter. Find the probability that at least one letter is in its proper envelope. So suppose letter 1 and letter 2 and letter 3. Envelope 1, envelope 2, envelope 3 are the corresponding envelopes. What they're asking, find the probability. In general, if you're randomly placing them such that 1 goes to 1, so 3 need to be arranged in 3 places, 3 factorial. So n of s equal to 3 factorial. But what they want, the probability of let A be the event of whatever you want, whatever they want, I mean. So then in an envelope, so that each envelope contains exactly one letter, find the probability that at least one letter is in its proper envelope. So suppose no, none of the letters are in proper envelopes. If you calculate that, then it is easy. So then number of cases in which letters are not there in the respective envelopes. Suppose L1 goes to L3 and L2 goes to E3 and L1 goes to E1. So this is one way, one unwanted case. And L1, L2, L3, E1, E2, E3. L1 goes to E3, right? And then L2 goes to E1 and L3 goes to E2. So this is one unwanted case. So there are two unwanted cases. So 1 minus the two unwanted cases by the sample space, which will gives you 2 by 3 is the probability. Basically, we are using the formula that 1 minus probability of A bar we are calculating. So they want at least one of them to go to the right envelopes, and we calculated there are two cases in which none of them go to the right envelopes. So 1 minus the probability of none of them go to the right envelope. As it is a simple case, the total number of possibilities itself is 6. You can list that 4 possibilities, 4 favorable cases also, and then get the probability. Suppose let us try to calculate the cases, write all the possible cases. At least one go correctly, they told you. So all 3 goes correctly, right? Correct envelopes. Means L1, E1, L2, E2, L3, E3. So this is one way. Next L1, L2, L3, E1, E2, E3. One goes wrongly, one goes correctly. So the 2 goes correctly. Let us think about 2 goes correctly. Suppose L1 goes to E1 and L2 goes to E2. Only L3 should go wrong. That is not possible. If 2 goes correctly, automatically third one also should go to correct envelope only. So 2 goes correctly is not possible at all. Next, exactly 1 goes correctly. E1, L1 goes to E1, but L2 and E2 are interchanged. That is possible. That is one way. Next, L1, L2, L3, E1, E2, E3. This time L1 goes to the correct envelope and these two are interchanged. So this is one way. Third possibility. L1, L2, L3, E1, E2, E3. Right? So these two goes correctly and then these two interchange. Next, L1, L2, L3, E1, E2, E3. And in this case, none of them, like all 3 goes correctly, we got, and then one of them goes correctly, 2 goes correctly, not possible, and then no other case exists. Yeah. So you got all the 4 possibilities. So other 2 possibilities are unwanted cases. So directly the favorable case also you can calculate, and the probability of here directly you can write 4 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 3. Question number 9. If the 4-digit numbers greater than 5,000 are randomly formed from the digits, what is the probability of forming a number divisible by 5? So it should be greater than 5,000. 4-digit number should be formed. Because it should be greater than 5,000, it should, first place should be filled with 5 or 7. 2 ways you can do that. So what is the probability that the forming number is divisible by 5 when the digits are repeated and the repetition of the digits is not allowed? Okay, 2 cases is there. So the first one is digits are repeated. So repetitions are allowed. So since the repetitions are allowed for the number to be greater than 5,000, so the sample space also will get in 2 cases differently. So for the first case sample space, it should be greater than 5,000. So first place can be filled with 5 or 7 only, not with 1 or 3. And the second place can be filled with any of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any of the 5 digits, because the repetitions are allowed. All the digits are repeated. Next, this is also 5, and this is also 5. But the problem is they told that the number is greater than 5,000. Since the repetitions are allowed, we are allowing 0 in this place, this place, this place, and 5 in this place. You'll get 5,000 also. So that's why the n of s in this case is 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 minus that one case where you're taking all 3 zeros. So the 5,000 is also counted, except 5,000, everything will be more than 5,000. So that's why n of s is this. Now, the number of cases where it is divisible by 5 you need to calculate. Again, this is 5 and 7, 2 possibilities. And again, if this is 5 possibilities, this is 5 possibilities. Because it should be divisible by 5, the last place should be filled with either 0 or 5. So only 2 possibilities. But again, here also 5,000 is added, that should be subtracted. So the n of a equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 2 minus 1. So this is 10, and then 5 is a 25, 250 minus 1, 249. And this is 10 into 10, 100 minus 1, 99. So the probability of a is equal to 99 by 249. Next, the second bit. The repetition of digits is not allowed. In case repetition of digits is not allowed and 4-digit number. So what will be that? Repetition of digits is not allowed means it's again 5 or 7, 2 possibilities. But from the remaining 4 digits, you can fill any 4 here and any 3 here, 4p3. This time you need not to subtract 1 because 5,000 is not possible. All 3 zeros is not possible, not allowed. Only 1 can be 0. If at all you include 0 in these 3. So this n of s equal to 2 into 4p3 is 4 factorial 24, 48. Next, the divisible by 5 case. Here 5 and 7 are there. Suppose you are filling the first place with 5. Because it should be divisible by 5, the last place must be 0. And the remaining 2 places from 3-digit 3p2. That means there is a need of dividing this into 2 cases. Case 1 where you are beginning with 5. Case 2 when you're beginning with 7. Why? When you're beginning with 7, you'll have 2 possibilities for the last place, 0 or 5. But still the middle one is 3p2 only. So this is 3p2, which is the 3 factorial, 3 into 2, 6. And this is 6 into 2, 12, 18. So the probability of A in this case is 18 by 48. Of course, you can do the simplification if possible. 6 table, no? 6 table 3 times, and 6 table 8 times. Yeah. In most of the problems, usually what they give is that they will give the sample space fixed, and then they will ask some 3-4 bit questions, and based on the corresponding bit, you will calculate the favorable cases. But number of elements in that sample space will be fixed in most of the problems. But this problem, what they did is they are given different cases, 2 cases. In each case, the sample space is different, and the favorable is also different. Condition is same for both the bits. That's a different thing in this problem.